In this video, we listed the 5 best underwater camera on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MOQCQGR 8336 HD Camera. The MOQCQGR 8336 HD DVR is a specialized fishing camera designed for high-definition underwater video recording and image capture. Manufactured in mainland China, it features a 7-inch HD display with a DPI of 1200 TVL, ensuring clear visuals. The camera includes a 15 m long, bending and frost-resistant cable capable of bearing up to 30 kilograms of tension, suitable for various underwater environments. It operates in temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius and boasts a battery life of 6 to 8 hours thanks to its 4500 mAh battery. With adjustable lighting modes and 3 angle settings, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, it adapts flexibly to different fishing conditions. This device combines functionality with durability, making it an ideal gift for fishing enthusiasts looking to capture and share their underwater adventures. Number 2. MAOTEWANG Underwater Camera. The MAOTEWANG 7-inch Fishfinder underwater fishing camera is a cutting-edge device tailored for both recreational and professional fishing endeavors. Boasting a high-definition 1000 TVL camera, it offers crisp and clear imagery, ideal for monitoring underwater surroundings with exceptional detail. Constructed from robust aluminum alloy and featuring a 90-degree viewing angle, it ensures durability and provides a comprehensive view of the fishing area. The device includes a 7-inch TFT color monitor with a sun visor for enhanced visibility outdoors, and its LED brightness is adjustable for optimal image quality in various lighting conditions. With up to 8 hours of battery life and versatile LED configurations, 15 PCs white LEDs and 15 PCs infrared lamps, it accommodates diverse fishing scenarios, making it a reliable companion for ice, sea, and river fishing expeditions. Number 3. MAOTEWANG Fishing Camera. The MAOTEWANG F009MJ IR underwater fishing camera system is designed for underwater monitoring and exploration, featuring a 7-inch color TFT monitor with sun visor for clear visibility outdoors. It utilizes a high-definition 1000 TVL color CCD camera with 6 infrared lamplights for night vision up to 1 to 3 meters in clear water. The camera is housed in a durable, waterproof aluminum alloy body designed to withstand cold temperatures and rough handling. The system includes a 15-meter waterproof, pull-resistant cable and operates on a rechargeable 4400 mAh battery, offering 6 to 8 hours of continuous use. It is suited for various applications including aquaculture monitoring, underwater exploration, and fishing activities in oceans, lakes, and ice environments. The product is certified with CE, FCC, RoHS, and KC standards, reflecting its compliance with international safety and quality regulations. Number 4. Erchang Underwater Camera. The Erchang Underwater Fishing Camera, Model F431, is a high-resolution device designed for various fishing conditions, particularly ice and sea fishing. Manufactured in mainland China, it features a 4.3-inch IPS LCD color monitor with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels and supports multiple languages including Russian. Powered by a DC-10V, 18V source, it includes a 4000 mAh lithium battery for prolonged usage in temperatures ranging from -20 to 60. The camera boasts night vision capabilities with 6 IR infrared lamps and automatic light-sensitive technology, ensuring clear visibility in low-light conditions. It supports video recording, allowing users to capture moments during fishing expeditions. Waterproof with an IP68 rating, the camera is compact, lightweight, and equipped with a patented holder for secure positioning. Number 5. Eyoyo EF43A Camera. The Eyoyo EF43A underwater fish finder is a versatile tool designed for various fishing environments including ice, sea, and river fishing. Manufactured in mainland China, it features a 4.3-inch TFT color display monitor powered by a DC-9V supply, with options for a DVR function using an included 8GB TF card. The camera utilizes a 1/3 inch CMOS sensor with 1000 TVL video resolution and 130-degree viewing angle, supported by 8 PCs IR LED lights for enhanced visibility in dark or murky waters. It boasts IP68 waterproof rating and operates with a rechargeable 2600 mAh battery, offering up to 6 to 7 hours of continuous use. The product includes various accessories such as a monitor sunshield, power adapter, and multiple cable length options for the camera. It supports multiple languages for OSD and is designed for ease of use and portability, making it suitable for both amateur and professional fishing enthusiasts.